Afternoon, guys. Here I will explain about radiation dosage calculation prediction in mammography explanation using neural networking algorithm of articular propagation. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Gavin Joshua Siagian. I'm from class A. Okay, let's get started. Introduce. In general, measurements of radiation dosage carried out by X-ray aircraft are not necessarily accurate because of the limitation of technology at the time, but with the development of the detector tool can handle that problem. The study was conducted to make it easier to measure the dosage relation by X-ray. This research is about the problem with radiation dosage measure. Procedure involved in the study was GST, which is an artificial neural networking explaining to the GST system. Working is helping to calculation the doses that come on X-ray device. Radiation dosage data is verified by its learning coefficient with a value of 0,1. After that, data is normalized by transforming the data into value with a certain range. Then the tube voltage and the exposure time current are used as the input value, while the radiation dosage is used as the output value in the neural working. Radiation dosage calculation using GST is defined in two stages, namely training and testing. The training procedure uses data from the acquisition of mammography aircraft, while the testing process uses data from the acquisition of radiation detector. The type of GST used in this study in back propagation. The parameter set in the GST architecture include the number of hidden layer, type of activation function, type of training function, error cost, number of epochs, momentum, and learning rate. Whereas the variable that in change is the number of neurons in the hidden layer. The accuracy of the training resolution is shown by the relation coefficient and the mean square error at MSE value. Findings in processing data in the study using backpropagation GST with the two input and one output. The input is the form of a tube voltage and on exposure time concord while the output is a radiation dosage. In GST, the input values, tube voltage and time current are propagated forward through the way of the input toward neurons in the hidden layer. At the hidden layer, the values are processed using the activation function the propagated for through the input way to the output layer so that the output values is updated. The radiation dosage The next output value is comparison with the target value, so an error value is abundant. Based on result of the table 6 in appears that the GST article which that the high level of accuracy is article with the number of neurons in the hidden layer of 18 neurons. The correlation graph and the MSE value card of the articulation are shown in figure 1 and 2 respectively. Testing on GST articular which produce the high accuracy in the training process is the use to calculation the value of the radiation doses in the testing process. The correlation coefficient appointed in the testing process is 0,9370, while the MSE value generation is 2,2026. Correlation graph and MSE value cards are respectively shown in figure 5 and 6. Correlation coefficient and MSE value generation in the testing process are good enough so that it can be concluded that the backpropagation GST algorithm can be implemented to calculation the prediction magnitude of the radiation doses on the mammography examination. Conclusion: from the result of the study, the radiation doses calculation has been carried out on mammography examination using backpropagation GST algorithm. The input value is in the form of a tube voltage and an exposure time current, with an output value that the radiation doses. The training process using data acquisition by mammography archive procedure and correlation coefficient of 0,9994 and an MSE value of 5,2907. GST articular in the training process is the use to calculation the radiation doses in the testing process. The correlation coefficient appointed in the testing process is 0,9370, while the MSE value generation is 2,2026. The accuracy value in the training the testing processing so that the GST algorithm can be implemented to calculation the amount of radiation doses on a mammography examination. Part of my explanation. Thank you for your attention. If there are questions, could be different. Goodbye.